Hey friends, welcome back to Yum's Kitchen. Today we're making a vegan mushroom bourguignon. Slow, cozy, and deeply comforting. This one is rich, warm, and perfect for a relaxed evening. Here's everything we'll be using today. Simple ingredients that come together into something rich and comforting. We'll start by cooking the mushrooms, carrots, and pearl onions until everything softens and builds flavor. Next, we'll add the wine and broth and let everything simmer gently, allowing the flavors to deepen. To finish the stew, we'll gently thicken it and add a touch of thyme. This is where everything comes together and the sauce turns rich and glossy. We'll serve this over wide noodles. They soak up all that rich sauce. This is one of those meals that feels warm, comforting, and steady. Perfect for slowing down and enjoying the moment. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.